So I've been printing with this ERYONE Trans Blue PETG filament for a little while. It's a gorgeous colour. Done a few basic small prints like this. This is just a card to wind yarn onto. Gets a nice sheen on it. That's from a FR4 or a Garolite sheet. Took me a while to get PETG sticking to that well. I had to bump the temps up to 70 on the bed for anyone who's interested. Most of what I print is practical stuff. I've been working on this, which is a case for one of these tiny little Voron V0 screens. Just screws together like that, and there's the screen control. Really love the translucent colour with this, and because there's an LED here, the box actually lights up a little bit. Again, nice shiny surface there from the Garolite. Also made this up for anyone who uses Clipper. This is a Raspberry Pi Pico, all enclosed, and it's just hooked up to an ADXL 345, which I can't get into focus. I don't like having the board just floating about. Too much risk for it tapping on a live wire. So this just encloses it, and then it hooks up with a USB cable. And something a little bit shinier, this is just a pen cup that I designed a while ago, but I don't really do fancy prints, I do functional things. This is lovely for showing off that sheen. Unfortunately, it was where I was experimenting with bed adhesion, so the base isn't so good, but nice solid filament. I'm really happy with this. I need to do some more tuning to get PETG printing slightly cleaner, but I do love these translucent PETG colours, so I will definitely be buying more of this from ERYONE.